Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Payal Chakraborty. I have created a full cut crease eye makeup look for beginners. If you want to learn this look, watch the video till the end. I am using a parrot green eyeshadow shade from the You Can Be Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette and applying it on my crease area. Next I am cutting my crease area with the help of a concealer and a flat brush. I'm cutting the crease just above my original crease line so that it can be seen when I will be opening my eyes. Next, I'll blend the concealer with the help of a beauty blender. Next, I'm taking this light gold eyeshadow shade and applying it on the inner corner of my eye. After that, I'll be applying this darker golden shade on the middle of my eyelids. Next, I'm taking this dark brown shimmery shade and applying it on the outer edge of the eye. You can see that I'm only patting the eyeshadow so that maximum pigment is ensured. Next, I'll be taking this chocolate dark brown eyeshadow shade and apply it on the outer corner of the eye. Apply it in a wing manner, and I'll also extend it to my lower lash line area. I'm also extending it halfway through my upper lid area. Next, I'm taking this dark gold shade and applying it on the inner corner of the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking a highlighter shade and applying it on my brow bone and also on my inner corners. I'll blend everything with the help of a blending brush. Next, I'm taking Hilary Rhoda sketch eyeliner and applying it on my upper lash line. I'm making a very thin line so that the lash line looks fuller. I'll apply my falsies off the camera and will use Maybelline Hyper Curl Lash Mascara. This is a pretty simple look for a beginner to do. If you have liked my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.